Welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you how to disable fonts permission for a specific site in Chrome on your PC. By following these simple steps, you can prevent a specific website from using the fonts installed on your device. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome. Launch the Chrome browser on your PC. Step 2. At the top right corner, click on the More button. It looks like 3 vertically aligned dots. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Step 4. Once you're in the Settings menu, navigate to Privacy and Security. Step 5. Click on Site Settings. Step 6. Look for and click on Additional Permissions. Step 7. Scroll down and find Fonts. Click on it to open the settings. Step 8. Next to Not allowed to use fonts installed on your device, click on Add. Step 9. Add the specific site for which you want to disable fonts permission. And there you have it. You have successfully disabled fonts permission for a specific site in Chrome on your PC. This will help you have more control over which sites can access the fonts installed on your device. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from it. Thanks for watching.